Hi, I'm Cruz, and today we'll be reviewing how to combine multiple pivot doors on the same project. We've had many clients ask, how do I combine multiple pivot doors? For instance, I know I want my front door to be big and dramatic, and I also have a casita that's a smaller door, like this door here, and I want them to be cohesive. So here are a few guidelines. First and foremost, the front door is the driver. So give the front door what it's looking for. In this project, we utilize two methods to create contrast between the front door and the adjacent casita door. For the front door, we use size, as the front door is 5 feet wide, the casita door is 4 feet wide. That's 1 foot wider. However, the impact is huge. The height of the front door is 9 feet tall, and the casita door is 8 feet tall. The combination of a wider and taller door for the front door creates a very dramatic difference from the smaller casita door. The second method of contrast was the material use. Metal versus glass. Glass provides ambiguity between the interior and exterior and encourages the interaction between the two. Metal clearly defines interior and exterior, and they are separate. While these two doors are very different, being all metal and all glass, they work together wonderfully. They've provided cohesion, a nice contrast, and a beautiful way to impress and invite visitors at the casita. If you'd like information on how to combine more than one pivot door on your project, please give us a call. We'll provide guidance and make sure that not only your front door is a huge success, but also any adjacent doors as well. Thank you very much.